Hey everybody, welcome back. We have been posting every Sunday at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for an entire year. It's our 1-year anniversary on YouTube. That's insane. I can't even conceptualize. This year has been a blur. It's been wonderful. But in this video, it'll be a little different because I want to go over our analytics for the past year on YouTube. I want to go over how some of our videos have done, go over YouTube monetization and how that works, and see just a little bit of how we can make our channel grow even more. Now, before we get into this, I want to make sure everyone understands the key metrics that YouTube provides content creators to show how well their videos are doing. There's impressions, CTR, average view duration, and audience retention. Those are your 4 key metrics to show you how well your YouTube video is doing. Impressions are how often YouTube is pushing your thumbnails to viewers. CTR, or click-through rate, is the percentage of those impressions that turn into views. So click-through rate is essentially how many times your video is getting clicked and watched. Average view duration is how long on average people are watching your videos for. And audience retention shows you how well you're able to retain people while watching your videos. Now that we understand the 4 key metrics, let's go check out one of our videos and break it down a little bit more. When you create a YouTube channel, you get access to this YouTube Studio. This is your channel dashboard. This is where everything is going to live on your channel. It gives you a highlight of what has happened over the last 28 days on your channel, as far as subscribers, your recent subscribers that allow you to see who they've subscribed to, how your published videos are doing the past few, and how your latest video is doing. As you can see, our Blizzard Beach video is not doing very well. This video has not been up for very long, so it's not going to give us a realistic explanation of how everything works on YouTube. So instead, let's go to one of our previous videos that has done very well. In fact, let's go to the best video on our channel. We're going to go to content. We're going right over here to views because I want to see how the best video has done. Our best video was on July 21st of 2024. It was the club level at Wilderness Lodge video. Comment down below if you watched this video. If you subscribe from this video, I think that's awesome. We go into it and it throws you directly into the details portion of your analytics. It shows you what your descriptions are, shows you your video chapters, thumbnail, everything that you need to know. But we want to know the analytics. This is the overarching analytics since this video has been published. You can see we had 13 views on this video in the last 48 hours. Overall, this video has given us 724.6 watch hours since it's published. It has been viewed 9,065 times and has brought 38 subscribers into our channel. This is just the overview, however. If we want to look at the 4 true analytics that we were talking about earlier, we need to go into each one of these tabs. If we go to reach, we can see that YouTube has thrown this thumbnail out to 156.1 thousand people on YouTube, 4.1 of which have actually clicked on this video. If we scroll down a bit, we can even see how they came to our video. Through the browse feature, that's just when you're scrolling through YouTube, 54% came from the YouTube homepage. 21.2 of these viewers searched on YouTube and clicked our video out of their search. 19.5 were suggested to them at the end of other videos. These are views that came from something like Google or Bing, Microsoft, something like that. If we come up here to the engagements tab, we can see that 724.6 watch hours from this video with an average view duration of 4 minutes and 47 seconds. Obviously for our channel, that is very good. We are still a very small channel. We only have 251 subscribers currently while making this video. So this is a very large video for us. If we scroll down a little bit to audience retention, we can see the retention curve of this video. Each one of these lines, these dotted lines, are our video chapters, and that way we can see where in our video viewers tend to stick around or tend to fall off. We can see for us that the key moment for this video is the intro itself. This intro has kept a lot more people around than normal for our videos. And if we come up to the audience tab, we can see returning viewers versus new viewers. Obviously, the returning viewers are far less than our new viewers. With our best day, we had 239 new viewers versus 12 returning viewers. That is huge in one day for us. Absolutely massive. We can even see what type of viewing device they're using to watch our videos. In this case, 59.9% of people watching this video were watching it on TV. That's awesome. If we scroll down, we can even see what gender and what age group these videos are being viewed by. Just gives us a little more knowledge about our audience base as a whole. Now let's break down a video that didn't do so well on our channel. Again, we come over here to views, we want to drop down, and I'm going to select this, our Paris video. In my opinion, I thought this video was good, but it just did not perform very well. So let's break it down. But if we come over here to the analytics tab, we can see that it did fairly well within the first 16 days of this video being posted, and then it's essentially flatlined. We did gain 5 subscribers on this video for a total of 6 watch hours for our channel. It just did not do very good. If we scroll down, we can see that the key moments for this audience retention was the intro, and you can see that the intro just did not keep people around. After the intro, the people that did watch this video typically stayed around, but the hook for this video just did not perform the way we wanted it to. But let's go over here to the reach and see our impressions. This video was pushed out to 3.8 thousand people. Of those 3.8 thousand people, 3.2% of people actually clicked on this video. This was 52.5% viewed by the browse feature and 22.3% suggested video. 9.4 people watched this video from our channel page. I think that's awesome. That means people are actually viewing our channel and selecting this video to watch. I think that's incredible. Let's go up here to engagement. You can see again 6 watch hours, only 1 minute and 47 seconds of average view duration. That is just not very good. That's just showing that our hook for our intro is not keeping people around long enough. If we scroll down, we can see again that this intro just did not perform the way it needed to. And that just shows us where we can improve our videos, how we can go about creating entertaining content that keeps viewers engaged through the whole video. Also, side note, this is just not a good picture of me. Now let's go over YouTube monetization. Monetization is pretty much what all content creators on YouTube strive for, so this is probably why you're here. If we come to the Earns tab, it shows you there are really 2 different types of monetization for YouTube. There's your memberships monetization that is easier to obtain. You gain eligibility after you have 500 subscribers, you've posted 3 videos in the last 90 days, and you have 3,000 public watch hours. This all has to happen within the last year, so eventually you're gonna start fighting yourself for the watch hours that you've had over the course of the year as your years start to roll over, but eventually you'll get there. This is the first way you can gain monetization on YouTube. This is when you can have people become like Patreons and things like that. This is when you can start accepting super chats, super stickers. This is when you can start linking your Shopify accounts or anything like that. We don't have any of those, at least not yet. Maybe if you want a t-shirt for Bartlett Adventures, let me know in the comments below. The main way to become monetized on YouTube is the next portion, your watch ads. This is how a lot of YouTube creators gain monetization from YouTube. This is the big number. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 365 days. This is the biggest goal for all content creators. This is our big goal as content creators. After you gain 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year, you become eligible to apply for monetization for AdSense through ad revenue. So really, when we're making videos, we want to make sure people are sticking around, they're enjoying our content, they're liking, they're commenting, they're subscribing. All of these things help YouTube to know, hey, these people are making pretty good content, let's keep pushing it out to new people. And that helps us as content creators reach this goal of monetization. So where are we at in our YouTube journey? We're officially hit the 1 year mark. We have 53 long form videos on our channel. We started from 0 subscribers. If we can do it, you can too. You might be able to even move faster than we are. But at our 1 year mark, we currently have 251 subscribers, 29 of which have come in the last 28 days. It's been an awesome month for us. Currently, we have a giveaway going on for 1 pair of Mickey ears. They're the Disney Eats collection. They're the s'mores. They're so beautiful. They're brand new. All you have to do is be a subscriber. Hopefully you'll win. The second we get to 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna be drawing a name at random, and it could be you. Let me know if this information has helped you, if you found it interesting. If you didn't find it interesting, I might not make any more of these. So you gotta let me know in the comments below if you wanna see more of these. We can get more in depth if you want. But with all that being said, don't forget to keep the wanderlust alive, and we'll see you somewhere.